All right, so we're starting Turtle in Paradise, and before we do that, I had some things that we need to go over. Today's lesson is going to be on what we're going to call memory moments. So I want you to be on the lookout for memory moments. That's when the author interrupts the action to tell you about a memory. And when that happens, I want you to ask yourself, why might this memory be important? So when you notice the author interrupting to share a memory, stop and think, why might this moment be important? Sometimes the memory moment is really obvious, like a character might say something like, I remember the first time I met him, or in that moment the memory came flooding back. Sometimes the memory is more subtle, like a character might say something like, my dad liked to tell a story about, or they might notice an object or see a person and then begin to share the memory. So what can it teach us? Be on the lookout for times when the character shares a moment from the past. Ask yourself, why is this memory important? And when I think about that, I am always led back to a memory of my own. I used to be in theater. I took acting classes and I was a director and I was a producer and I did the stagehand stuff. So in one of those classes, the instructor was talking about moments and important moments in stories and how writers, whether they are movie writers, like screenwriters, or whether they're writing a play or a book, they don't just throw stuff in for fun. There's a reason that things are added in. And with memories, we have to think about why. So my acting teacher, his example, actually his directing teacher, his example was, if you're watching a play or a TV show and the character pulls out a drawer and inside there's a gun and they look at it and they close the drawer and that's it, that's the clip. That's not in there just because. It's there for a reason. Guaranteed that gun is going to show up later and it's going to be important to the story somehow. So kind of think about that when you're reading this book or listening to this book and the author includes memories. There's a reason. It's going to show up either in an event or a character reaction. Somehow it's important. So memory moments can teach us something important about the character or about the plot. And thinking more about that, you can pay attention to explicit or implicit details to help you learn about a character, a setting, or an event. So explicit is something that's clear and obvious. It's just right out there, plain as day, no way to miss it. For implicit, this one's more difficult. Those are the details that are not as clear or obvious, and you can kind of think of them like clues. The author's not going to, just go right out and tell you. You have to be paying attention. You have to be listening. You have to be thinking. And that's all. So, all right, think of those things as you listen to chapters 1 and 2, and I hope you have a great day.